So why are you being a sourpuss?
I sound weird.
You what?
I sound weird.
How do you sound weird?
I just do.
So it bothers you that you sound weird, but you don't care that you look weird?
Hmm.
You should see how long your nose looks on film right now. It looks like 5 miles long. Hello.
Hmm.
Let me see that nose.
No.
Let me see that nose.
You don't have a wide angle lens.
Here, I'll give you a better angle. Here.
Huh.
There you go.
That's not a good angle.
Yeah, this is not bad at all. Your nose looks a lot shorter than before.
What if I do this? Like that?
It kind of looks fatter now. Let me be the photographer and you just be the model.
I'll just be the goofy model that sounds weird.
You think you sound weird, really? Or you just...
No, I'm serious. I do. I sound weird.
Y'all like depressed now?
No. I'm thirsty. What?
Did you just say you're thirsty?
Yeah.
What does that have to do with anything?
I don't know.
Why did you say
I'm thirsty. That's all I'm saying.